Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're gonna fix another Samsung. This is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with a broken display. As you can see here, it's really not usable. It's flickering on the bottom half. And we're gonna replace the display, and the back we can still reuse this one. It's got this film, protective film over it. And usually if you have some damage on the back panel, you can just cover it up with a protective case. And first thing we're gonna do is remove the back plate carefully. I don't know how David achieves that one where he pours out oil onto the corners, but it works. It's not going inside the device. And we're gonna remove all the screws that we can see here. Sometimes they're hidden, sometimes they are just in plain sight, and we're gonna remove this wireless charging pad and of course NFC. And then next is we're gonna remove all the connectors that are connecting the two boards, the motherboard on the top and the daughter board at the bottom for the other functions such as charging. And in the middle you can see the battery, and here we're gonna extract the motherboard itself. So be very careful if you want to do this yourself. And we're not gonna really recommend this to DIYers out there who just wanted to just get the stuff done on their own, because this is a complicated device to fix. And unbelievably, the battery on this device is pretty small in the physical size of it, but it makes the unit last quite a long time. And here, and this is the entire front display, and we're just gonna swap it out directly. So it's not the thing that you see on the entry-level Samsungs where you just pry it off the main assembly or the chassis. The display is integrated to the chassis, so when you change the display, you're basically changing the sides of it, and you're just gonna swap it out and put the motherboard inside the new display, and all the parts that you have uninstalled and disassembled from the old part. And right here we're just gonna reverse what we have done. And again, be very careful if you want to just tinker around with your S21 Ultra. I don't know why you would want to do that, but if you want to open it up and see what's inside, don't be adventurous and mess up with these flat cables. If you ruin this one or get a tear, it's not gonna work well for you. And we're gonna put back all the screws. That's basically it. That's the main steps that you're about to do, and once you have done that nicely without incurring more damage to your already broken device, then good for you. But we suggest that you take your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra to a repair shop with pro technicians such as David right here, with the proper tools and of course the proper knowledge on how to repair the device. Some phones, yeah, you can DIY them, but this one we don't really recommend that. As you can see here, there's a cutout for the fingerprint scanner on the display, and look at that. It looks brand new right off the gut. So we're gonna try, after we repair here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, after we repair the hardware, we test the software if the unit is utilizing the new part well, if it's working well. So we're gonna have a test here. This is the Samsung's built-in hardware tester. So as you can see here, the display is working good, the camera is working good, and the back camera is also working as expected. So we're gonna put the back panel. So this is the old back panel, so there's no problem when you reuse this. It's actually pretty good since you can just reduce the waste that we're throwing to the landfill. And we're just gonna wipe it off since this smartphone has been really damaged. So if you have a Samsung or an iPhone or a smartwatch that you want to repair, just go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. You can call us or message us on Facebook, ask the quote for your device, and we'll do the fix for you. So thanks for joining, guys. Till next time, cheers.